Everyone thinks the best-selling bifold doors are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cranic Repair Kit. First up is the Cranic Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit. Priced at just $9.99, this kit caught my eye because it promises an easy way to fix those annoying door issues. If you want to save money and feel accomplished in fixing things around your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes all the essential parts like top and bottom brackets, pivots, and guide wheels that can handle doors weighing up to 50 pounds. It makes repairs easy and saves you from the headache of buying a whole new door. The installation is designed to be straightforward, with no extra drilling or measuring required. You can just pop in the necessary parts and your door will glide smoothly again. Now, some people complained about the durability of the plastic parts. Here's the thing though, as long as you're not overloading your doors, these parts can last a long time and they're much cheaper than a new door. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who wants a quick fix for an old door. Skip this one if you need a complete replacement rather than a repair kit. For the price, it's genuinely a great value. Now, if the Cranic kit's plastic parts concern you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Safety Innovations Lock. Next is the Safety Innovations Bifold Door Lock, which comes in a 2-pack for $15.95. This product immediately caught my attention with its child and pet-proof features. If safety is your priority, this lock is definitely worth considering. Installation is super simple, no tools required, so you can set it up in minutes. Plus, the adjustable fit accommodates bifold doors from 118 to 138 thick, making it versatile. However, some users mention that the lock can be tricky to operate for adults. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something that's completely secure but easy for everyone to use, this might frustrate you at times. This is perfect for you if you have little ones or pets and need to keep them away from certain spaces. Skip this one if you're looking for a more straightforward locking mechanism. For the price, it's a small investment for peace of mind. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a complete replacement. Product number 3, AWDIA Repair Kit. The third product is the AWDIA Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit, retailing for only $6.89. I was surprised to see such a budget-friendly option that still gets high ratings. If you want to fix your doors without breaking the bank, this one is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes all the necessary components to restore your bifold doors, and its stainless steel construction means it's durable and rust-proof. The installation is straightforward, with clear instructions included, making it a good choice if you're not super handy. One issue that popped up in reviews was that some parts didn't fit well with older doors. Here's the thing though, it's designed for standard tracks, so if your doors are older and unusual, it might not work perfectly. But for most, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with a light folding door or a closet door that needs a quick fix. Skip this one if your doors are older and may need specialized parts. At this price, it's hard to go wrong. Now, if you need something a bit more heavy-duty, the next product is definitely more substantial. Product number 4, FVAOXYO Repair Kit. Coming in at number 4 is the FVAOXYO Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit, priced at $5.98. Honestly, I wasn't expecting such a low-cost option to perform as well as it does. If you need to restore functionality to your bifold doors quickly, this kit could be your answer. The detailed installation instructions are easy to follow, so you don't need to stress about hiring a pro. It's a fantastic solution for those DIY repairs. Now, some users reported that the parts could feel flimsy. Here's the thing, if you're using it on standard doors, they hold up well. But heavy use might wear them down quicker than you'd like, so keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you want something quick and easy to fix your doors. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle heavy usage. For the price, you get a solid deal. Now, if you need something a bit more stylish, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, Techni Home Accordion Doors. Lastly, we have the Techni Home Premium Foldable Accordion Doors priced at $70.51. I really like the modern look of these doors and how they can transform a space. If aesthetics and functionality are what you're after, these might be the right choice for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Crafted from scratch-resistant PVC, these doors are built to last and are easy to maintain. They come ready to install with all necessary components included, which is a big plus. Plus, the trimmable height means you can customize them to fit your space perfectly. However, a few buyers mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to take some time and maybe watch a quick video, it shouldn't be a major hurdle. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, modern look in your home. Skip this one if you're not up for a bit of DIY installation. For the investment, you're getting a quality product that enhances your interior design. So to wrap it up, Kranick offers a solid repair kit for budget fixes. Safety Innovations keeps your space safe. AWDIA is a wallet-friendly option. FVAOXYO provides a reliable quick fix, and Techni Home gives you that stylish upgrade. Each has its own strengths depending on what you need.